boys and girls. I've, you know, never seen somebody get this far and like this shit. I don't know about this guy. You know, yeah, you guys know who this guy is. Hey, you guys know. Yeah, I tell you, he had it set up. I guess he just didn't finish. You know what I mean? Like I don't know what to say to you guys, but watch this video and what he does. Wow, this is what he does for a living. Oh, there you go, Chev. Oh, go? It's okay. Here, Chev. Look, you get it. Oh my God. Oh my, it's okay. Wow, this is. Hey, that's yeah. Oh, what? Chevy, I'm sorry, but this guy lets you do this shit?
There's chunks in it.
There's chunks. Oh my, Chev. Look at this. What's this? Hey, look. What's that? Oh, poor guy poor girl. The guy put way too much peanut butter on his dink. Chev. Hey, what are you doing, Chev? Look. Hey. Look. Hey, come here. Look. There you go. Oh, now it looks like
my God.
It looks like she's tugging.